Alright, so in this video, I'll show you how to get the Zillow app in 2026. Whether you're using Android or iPhone, it's a quick setup, so let's go step by step. First, unlock your phone and open your App Store. If you're on iPhone, open the App Store. If you're on Android, open the Google Play Store. Now tap on the search bar at the top and type Zillow. Make sure you spell it correctly so you find the official app. Next, look for the app with the Zillow logo. It should clearly say Zillow and show real estate or home listings in the preview. Once you find it, tap on it to open the app page. Here you'll see details, ratings, and an install or get button. Now click install or get. The app will start downloading automatically. Just wait a few seconds or minutes depending on your internet speed. After it's installed, tap open. You can also find it on your home screen or app drawer anytime later. When you open the app for the first time, it may ask for location permission. Allow it so Zillow can show you nearby homes and rentals. You can also sign in or create an account if you want to save searches, listings, or get alerts. And that's it. Now you have the Zillow app ready to use on your phone. Super simple and useful if you're house hunting or checking rentals. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy guides like this.